Happy International Women's Day. Today I want just to have a quick chat to you about not specifically a person in particular, but just a kind of an idea to kind of try and, God, I'm not starting this off very well, am I? Just to try and encourage or help you to encourage a woman in your life, or a woman if you are watching. So this one is just for you. So let's talk about it. Where do we start on this? So I don't know whether you know, you probably do because you've watched my channel, that I started racing this year, and well, last year actually. And the reason that I started racing was because two of my friends, Amy and Elle, set up Ride Like a Girl, and that was to try and bridge the gap between like racing and then like the general rider, because it felt like such a huge jump to try and start riding. And they set this up to try and like give beginners a go and just, I don't know, just encourage women just to get out there and have a go at racing if they wanted to do it. And being in that environment where we were all beginners and we all were just like, what are we doing, made it so much more accessible to do it. I'm going to leave the Facebook link, so if you want to get involved, I'll leave it in there. And the reason that I'm bringing this up is because, so Elle did her first race on Saturday, and she was dead last. And the way that she just did this post, she wrote this post on Instagram, I'll link it below, and so honest and just so like, I don't know, just so, not vulnerable, I don't know what the word is, just so open and honest about how she felt about it. And I love that, because I feel like sometimes we're not that honest, and especially on Instagram and social media, people kind of put up this facade of everyone has always got everything together. They never feel like, I don't know, they never feel insecure. And so yeah, so she just did this like amazing post about how she felt and how she just enjoyed it, and it was just so much fun, and that she was lapped 3 times but she didn't care because she gave it a go. And then another girl who was part of this Ride Like a Girl kind of community came 4th in that same race, and she made a post all about how she had been nervous and how she had been like, oh my God, what am I doing? And I love that. I love that people just being honest, because I think it, like I said, it has got to a point on social media where everyone is just like, just full of BS a lot of the time. And I love seeing someone that's so honest and so raw and just so open with how they feel. And I feel like that, to me, is what encourages other women to do things, because seeing that fear and seeing that like insecurity or seeing that kind of trepidation to do something is relatable, because we all feel it. I don't care who you are or what you're doing in life, we all feel it at some point. We do feel it. And I think acknowledging it and sharing that, and then like encouraging another woman being like, well, I felt like that, but I still did it anyway, so just give it a go, is what I love. And is what I've tried to do over these years I've been on YouTube. I've always shown the highs and the lows and when I've been scared. And so, for example, for me, I'm going to be open and honest now. I've got 2 big races, well, I say races, big rides coming up this year. Sorry, my nose is running, it is so cold. 2 big rides coming up this year. One of them I've not told you about yet, which I'll do another video about later on and tell you what it is, but it's huge. And then the other one is 1,000k, all points north, and it's in like, it's at the end of May, and I am crapping myself. I am so nervous about it. And I was chatting to Jay last night about it, because he's doing it as well. We're not doing it together, but we're both doing it. And I was like, God, it's like, it's not that long away. It's creeping up really fast, and I feel like I've not done enough long rides. I thought, oh, I've done any long rides. It's bloody freezing. And I've just been like, what am I going to do? Why have I signed up to this? And I have been thinking like, why have I signed up to this? I'm not going to be able to do this. What am I doing? Why? I'm crapping myself. But I will not let fear like stop me doing something that I know that I'm going to like enjoy doing, because it's almost like that fear is the thing that makes the thing worth doing. Like if it was something that I was like, oh yeah, I could do that, that's fine. What's the point in doing that? What is the point in doing that? And I guess the point of me sharing this with you is to encourage you to do something, whether you're a man, whether you're a woman, to go out and do something that you're scared of doing, because that's what makes it worthwhile. And just know that we all feel like that. We all are crapping ourselves at doing these big rides and these big events, and don't ever feel like we're not, because we are. But I try and turn that fear and that like nervousness into just excitement for doing it. So when I feel like nervous about this bloody All Points North thing, I think, oh, but it's going to be so exciting. I'm going to be able to like bivvy and like sleep and just be out on the open road on my own. And it's only going to be like 3 days, but still. And so this is my kind of, not a request, challenge, I guess, for you, is sign up for something this weekend. Find something that you're scared of. Find something that you've wanted to do for a long time, whether it's been like that marathon or a half marathon or a sportive or I don't know. Just find something, sign up for it, and just do it, because we all feel it. We all feel the fear, and we do it anyway. So, yeah, that's my little rant or little, I don't know what you'd call it, but yeah, I hope you found that helpful. I hope you found that useful. I hope you find that inspiring. And also, I want to hear from you of your inspirational women. Put them in the comments. They don't have to be cycling specific. Just be a woman that has inspired you to do something. So, yeah, we'll leave it there. Have an amazing weekend. And I want to hear about the things that you've signed up for below. Leave them in the comments.